Which Dodge Challenger wheel spacers brand is best? When it comes to Dodge Challenger wheel spacers, brands matter. Brands offer safety and reduce the risk of disappointment. High-quality brand spacers pay off with time in terms of reliability. This is especially critical when you frequently go off-roading. High-quality Dodge Challenger wheel spacers with a level of reliability that also reduces maintenance costs. Real Dodge Challenger wheel spacers for reputable companies are always the safety option. Companies that provide quality, well-made Dodge Challenger wheel spacers invest to a healthy sum in designing and testing their products. Years of research and development make their Dodge Challenger wheel spacers safer and more reliable. German brand Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are exactly safe for daily driving or off-roading. It is proven that as long as you use high-quality Dodge Challenger wheel spacers, install them properly, there will be no safety issues. BONOSS brand Dodge Challenger wheel spacers strive to maintain top quality and the best user experience, designed with longevity and consumer safety in mind. BONOSS promise an incompromising fit, finish, and level of quality. Apart from the base function of spacers, BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers provide more particular features. For example, their cooling function. Distribute impact set. These spools allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. These active cooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed to make brake cooling better. In order to distinguish the real BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers and protect customer interests, BONOSS has built a complete authentication system. When you get BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers, check the authentication code on package. Then compare this number with BONOSS official store database. If they don't match, they are not general BONOSS products. It is always good to use general brand Dodge Challenger wheel spacers. Each BONOSS general wheel spacers is BONOSS in grade. These Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are made in BONOSS own factory, so the quality is well guaranteed. Besides, general BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are covered by the manufacturer warranty. Good quality is guaranteed to perform well and last for the life of the vehicle.